In this video, I want to show you what to do with the knowledge that you have learned, because knowledge without action is useless, right? Now, 1 pound is equal to 3,500 calories. If you are trying to lose 1 pound per week, you need to reduce 500 calories per day. If you are trying to lose 2 pounds per week, you need to reduce 1,000 calories per day. Please note that if you are already slim or have a health problem, it might be dangerous for you to reduce your calories intake. So please check with your healthcare provider before lowering your calories intake. Now, how do you reduce 500 to 1,000 calories per day using the method that I just teach you? Let me show you 2 examples. If you really want to lose weight fast, eat soups with whole grains. That way, you will feel full with a lot less calories. Or you can incorporate soup to your regular meal. Let's say you usually eat 3 slices of pizza. A slice contains about 400 calories. So 3 slices contains about 1,200 calories. If you eat a cup of soup first, you might eat only 2 slices of pizza, and you reduce your calories intake by about 300 calories. Or if you eat 2 cups of soup, you might be so full that you only want to eat a slice of pizza, and you reduce your intake by about 600 calories. You can use this method with any meal. Eat soup first before you eat your regular meal. That way, you will be full with less calories.